In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to add a comment box in Surveymonkey. Whether you're gathering feedback for a project or conducting a detailed survey, having a comment box can be incredibly valuable. It allows respondents to express their thoughts in their own words, providing you with insights that multiple choice questions might miss. So let's dive into the steps to add this feature to your survey. First, you need to navigate to SurveyMonkey's website by heading over to surveymonkey.com. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so. This will give you access to all your existing surveys and the tools you need to create new ones. After logging in, you'll want to click on All Surveys. This section is essentially your hub, where all the surveys you've created are listed. It's a convenient way to keep track of your projects and manage them efficiently. Browse through this list to find the survey you want to add a comment box to. When you've located it, click on it to open the survey. Once your chosen survey is open, look for the Build option, which you'll find at the top left of the page. Clicking on Build will take you into the survey design mode, where you can make changes and add new elements to your survey. This is where the magic happens, and you'll have all the tools you need at your fingertips to customize your survey to fit your needs. Within the Build section, you'll see various question types and components that you can add to your survey. Look for the comment box option. This tool allows your respondents to leave open-ended feedback, which can be incredibly insightful. Clicking on comment box will add it to your survey. However, it's important to note that you might encounter a prompt indicating that you need to upgrade your SurveyMonkey account to access this feature. SurveyMonkey offers different plans, and certain advanced features, like the comment box, may require a paid subscription. If you find this to be the case, you'll need to consider whether upgrading is the right choice for you based on your survey needs and budget. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of adding a comment box to your survey in SurveyMonkey. Remember, this feature can significantly enhance the quality of the feedback you receive, offering deeper insights. If you're not already subscribed to a plan that includes this feature, evaluate your options and decide what best suits your requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your surveys shine. Happy surveying!